You love this thing, huh?
Yeah, I do. It's amazing.
It's amazing?
It's amazing.
I think it's not that. Some steaks. Some saute.
I don't want any more parasite worms. I'm trying to get rid of them.
What was it? That black, what was it called?
The mucoid plaque.
The mucoid plaque?
Mucoid plaque, no thanks.
I don't want any mucoid plaque.
What's that?
You don't want any mucoid plaque?
No, I want to get rid of it.
That's what we're fucking looking for, is this shit.
What's that?
The sun.
Oh.
A lot of Tacomas. I like that smell.
Oh.
Frog.
Is that what that was?
I ain't gonna lie, that smelled pretty good.
Old Abe Volcano Blues Cannon? What is this?
Oh, wow. Old Abe. It's Old Abe right there.
I guess so. And the benefit of the Osmo? They'll never catch me.
Look at that. See the story over here.
Astronomical Observatory.
Oh, there's musicians and there's people. Let's go set up. I want to go check these out. Maybe we'll play one. Let's see this. Come on.
In 1862, during the Civil War, the 5,000 residents of Volcano were closely divided between Union and Confederate sentiments. Nearly $100 million in gold had been mined in the Volcano Valley, and the Confederate Knights of the Golden Circle Militia wanted to use gold shipments to aid their war effort. The Volcano Blues, the Union militia training out of Armory Hall, felt outmatched, so they applied to the Presidio of San Francisco and reinforcements. Since troops were not available, the Blues were only given a 6-pound cannon barrel. It was shipped into town secretly inside a hearse so as not to alert the Confederate troops, and later a blacksmith fitted a carriage for the cannon. Soon after the cannon was mounted, the Knights marched down Consolation Street to meet the Union militia line. They ordered the Volcano Blues to stand down, but when the Union line parted to reveal a loaded cannon, the Knights dispersed and the town remained secure. The cannon and its carriage came to be known as the Old Abe. It was fired for community celebrations until the end of World War II.
Wow. So that's the cannon saved the town.
Thanks, Cannon.
Check out these musicians over here. Oh, cool little town.
They do. Gazebo? I wonder if that's a public Eagle
Guitars.
Eagle bandstand.
She always gave you a workout. She hurt you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Well, we won.
Hi.
No, we lost by one fishing pool.
Fishing for video.
Yeah. What are you feeling for? Are you guys staying in the hotel?
No, we're staying up at the. Is that like a public like church place? It's like a church building. It's like right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. I
It's super
did
nice.
about a week ago. Just
visiting.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a beautiful place. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Church Mike, yeah.
Yeah, Church Mike.
Church Mike. Yes.
Yeah, it is cool.
Yeah. Do you guys live here in the town? Oh wow.
Nice.
Yeah. First time here.
Welcome.
Thank you. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I live in Lincoln, and he lives in
I'm
Colfax.
Forest Hill and Colfax, kind of between places. Yeah.
We moved out of Georgetown and came over here.
Oh, nice.
9 years ago.
Wow.
Wow.
I went to school here at Pine Grove, grew up here.
Okay. What do you think?
What was that?
What do you think? You love it?
Absolutely. We've been back for almost 9 years this year.
Yeah.
As we took off and went around, came back.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, it's a cool. Well, it's funny because we were like, yeah, we want to check out the town. It's like you could just walk down and check out the whole
Yeah.
place.
When everything starts opening up around here too, when that's been closed for a minute, but it's fun too when it all opens up, the other hotel.
Yeah.
It's been quiet for a little bit.
Yeah. And check. They said that there's plays going on at the amphitheater.
Tonight, a fun play.
Oh, really?
Do you like edibles? Eat an edible.
Charlotte's Web.
Yeah, little kids are all
And
dressed up.
it's all tiered. They probably have tickets for
And you can bring in your own food, snacks, drink, whatever you want, you can bring it
You might have to
in. You just can't smoke in there. You gotta smoke outside.
go
Right.
outside.
Anything, yeah, but it's I don't know. I'm so scared. They're like Shelly. I'm like, oh man.
Kids are in the play.
Yeah, there's a lot of kids.
A lot. It's yeah.
Usually there's not. It should be clear.
Oh, okay. What time does it start?
8 o'clock. They open the doors at 6:30.
Okay, great.
It's tiered.
Never saw the rainbow,
So you either
much
bring
less a
folding chairs. I always just bring a quilt.
Okay.
It's really enjoyable.
I love Charlotte's Web.
That's fun. I'm hoping
My
next week
first
to see
love
it.
Oh, man, cool.
Right on.
And
I've
that's,
seen a lot of plays there. A lot of plays.
will they let us go check it out? Just go check it out.
Oh,
Awesome.
yeah, chat with them.
Awesome.
Cheers, enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
guys. Appreciate
Enjoyed.
you.
Hi, how you doing?
Want to see Charlotte's Web?
We could.
What the?
Oh, you want to check out the little park?
Yeah.
Oh, here, let me show that we're going into the park. In the park, there it is. This is possibly the smallest park I've ever been in.
I've been in smaller.
Have you?
Absolutely. Well, I don't know. Christmas tree. Oh, Captain. This is cute.
Want to find the amphitheater or just walk around more?
I'm wearing my jeans.
What about your jeans?
These are the ones I want to take back.
Oh, and now you're getting them all dirty.
The tags still on them and shit. Where do you get the tickets at?
I don't know. Oh, this is it right here.
Yeah, the amphitheater. Hello. Where do you get tickets for the show at?
Sutter Creek, yeah.
Hi. Where do you
Hi,
get
guys.
tickets for the show?
They'll probably have them when they open the
Okay.
ticket booth, yeah.
Gotcha.
We might have a couple extra, we'll say.
We might have
we'll
one.
see.
Okay. Okay. How much are the tickets?
$22.
Okay.
Yeah, 22. Well, yeah, $22.
And it's kids doing it?
No, it's adults.
It's adults.
There might be children in it, but it's usually adults.
Okay. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
We have an extra $15.
Okay. Yeah. Well, what time does it start?
It actually starts at 8, but if
They open
they
the
let
doors
you
at
in at 6:30,
At 6:30.
and that's when they'll start letting us in. So
Okay. I don't know if we'll be back by 6:30. In an hour. Okay.
Keep it on the plate.
Yeah, we'll definitely keep it on the plate. Thank
Okay,
you so
you
much.
got it.
Appreciate you.
There's the post office. Cobblestone, theater and an amphitheater. They got 2 theaters.
Got 2 theaters. Oh yeah. What is it?
Who's that? They're caverns?
Yeah.
That, oh, we check out some caverns?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
And Black Chasm.
Black
yeah.
Chasm, okay.
If you can get a morning tickets, is best. I've been, I can't tell you how many times. I went with some friends in town.
What is it? It's like a.
It's a caver, and it's all the
Mini stairs
and there's really cool stuff.
Wow.
I don't want to give it away. I don't want to give it
Surprise,
away.
surprise.
Really cool.
Yeah, no, it sounds great.
Okay.
Will they let us film down there?
You can have you can't have a selfie stick. You
No
can have
selfie
a
stick.
stick, but you can have your phone.
Phone, okay.
Okay, gotcha.
And we
Oh, cool.
were fortunate enough on the last one with my girlfriends that we had the morning and a party didn't show up. So it was just us. I got to go and they turned off the lights for the first time in my whole life down there.
Whoa.
Oh,
And it is black.
and what's it called?
Black Chasm.
Black Chasm. Okay.
check that out.
Yeah, we'll hit that. And it's,
Absolutely.
and it's not close enough to walk yet, right?
I mean, you like you think that's driving a bit of a
Yeah,
It's a cool history. You're welcome.
love caverns.
I love caverns too. I am looking for a dark cave to film in.
Not for $22.
Where did we go? We walked up this way, right?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
How much are tickets? He's all $60. We'll be good.
The rock.
I swear there's like weird barking, spooky frogs around here. Look at that old bell.
What is that? Can I ring it?
I don't know. Black Chasm. Want to go hang out at the bar? Some steak and wine.
Nah.
Yeah, if it was like $10, I'd be down.
Yeah, that'd be more doable.
I mean, are they even gonna fucking sell out? Right?
Probably not.
Look at this. It's crazy. He was like, yeah, people will rent this place out for a week. How would you want to rent this place out for a week?
That's a good question. Maybe other people are doing films too.
Not getting some selfie